To make my spicy salad takeaway, all I need is a container like this, which is like an Indian takeaway container. You can buy these new in the shops or just wash out one you've had. Then all you need to do is make some holes in the bottom. Very simple. You can use a nail, or I just use a drill bit, but not attached to the drill because this is so soft that you don't need it. And then I just, using a little piece of wood underneath, just make my holes, and one more there, put that there. That's what I've done. It's just to give a little bit of drainage, that. Also, what I'm using is quite a loose compost. This is a peat-free compost. It's a multi-purpose, so it's got a reasonable amount of feed in it, which will be perfect for the salad. And I've wet it, so if I squeezed really hard, you might just see a few drips now starting to drip out there. So, not soaking, but just right. Then all you do is you fill your seed container up to roughly about the surface, and then take a little piece of timber or something like that, compress down, try and get into the edges. That should do it. And now I'm about a sort of centimetre, I would say, from the surface. So just get my seed now. This is my spicy salad mix. I'll wipe my hands so you can see it properly. You may have seen this in other videos that I've done. But that's it there. It's a real mix of different seed. And all I do is just scatter it on. I pack this out quite a lot because I want to make sure it's nice and full. And then all I do, compost on top, again back up to the top. And I gently firm down again. Just gently after you've sown the seed. You're just trying to get contact between the compost and the seed, and that's perfect for me. Now what I do is I tend to then bend these back round, you can just fill up the container less if you wanted to fold the edge over. There we go. If you're worried while you've done this you've sort of disrupted the compost a little bit, again you can just give it a firm down at the end if you prefer. And that's it, all planted up. All I need to do now is label it. I might give it a little mist on top. Ooh, mister. And that's just purely because where I've been handling the compost it might got a bit dry. And that will just go on the shelf in my greenhouse, but it can go on a shelf, a windowsill. It can go outside even if it's frost free. And there you go, simple as that. When it comes up, all I do then is I can either take some scissors and just cut along the edge there, and that will give me my salad, and then it will come back up again within a few weeks. Or I can tear it. I know some people prefer to tear the leaves. They feel that it comes back up fine. I just find this is a really nice, easy way to do it. That's my spicy salad takeaway. If you're in the seafood area, I am open to selling these or exchanging them for things that I might need. And no, I do not need tomatoes. Swimming in them here. But yeah, if you've got a plant or some plant material that you think I might want to swap for it, that's fine. Or you can give me a contribution towards this. I'll let you know how much I would need. towards these materials. And here's the first few seedlings of the spicy salad coming through.